Welcome back to All American Rides. Today, we're diving into the stunning 2025 Chevrolet C10 pickup truck. A true blend of vintage style and modern power, this C10 is equipped with a sleek, redesigned body, yet keeps that classic 60s charm. Under the hood, it packs a punch with a powerful V8 engine, ensuring both performance and reliability. With a fully updated interior, advanced tech features, and rugged off-road capabilities, the new C10 offers the perfect mix of nostalgia and innovation. Stay tuned as we take a closer look at what makes this truck a real American icon.